Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by mapping proportions. Draw an oval for the head with a center line to set direction. Place a vertical torso line and mark shoulder width roughly 3 head widths. This keeps Zelda balanced. Next, block arms and legs as simple lines. This is intentional. You want a loose framework to refine later. Once done, check symmetry and tilt. Small tweaks now save redraws later. Make sure to keep strokes light, so you can erase and iterate without losing the original guide. You now define the face. Set the eyes on the center line, spaced about 1 eye width apart to achieve that classic Zelda look. Lightly indicate the nose and mouth with small, confident strokes. This preserves softness. Once done, shape the hair as broad flowing masses. This helps you manage volume. Then add details like bangs, braids, and individual strands for realism. Make sure to follow the head tilt so hair falls naturally, and adjust line weight to suggest depth. You finish by blocking outfit shapes over the body guide. Place collars, the emblem, and layered skirt or tunic so folds follow the torso and hips. Once done, refine accessories. Draw the emblem, small jewelry, and gauntlets with measured spacing so they look attached, not floating. Clean your lines, erase construction marks, and apply light shading on one side to imply a light source. This lifts the drawing. If proportions feel off, compare head-to-body ratio and nudge guides slightly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.